So we're at S&R. It's a membership place, guys. We've got a card. It cost us 700. It's I think there's like a gold one that's about 900 something like that. I'll know if I can get in. I can get another brochure, but unless I can get in, I don't know. So this is an attempt to get into SR, just have a look round. It will be a video. I'm going to put it up as a video, guys. Anyway, I've got my two lovely babies because I'm taking them for a jamming session. So Matthew, Fia, do you love your daddy?
No.
What?
No.
Why you not love a daddy? You don't know? What if I give you 10 pesos each? Will you love your daddy then?
Because you're handsome.
Because I'm handsome? You don't love me because I'm handsome?
Yeah.
What if I give you 10 pesos each? Will you love daddy then?
Yeah.
Oh, so I've got to bribe you, have I? Oh, okay. Let's go and see if we can get into S&R. I was going to say SM then. So it's very doubtful I'm going to get in, guys, because every time I go somewhere, approach and try and do some free promotion, for some reason they don't want it. So I'm not holding my breath that we'll get into S&R. Now Mel's been there with her sister and they said it's great, and there's a table in there. It's 3,000 anywhere else, and here it's 1,600. So there's a guard on the door. Let's see if I can get in. They're gonna say no. Let's have a look. That's exit. This is entrance. So why is people going into the exit then? Unless it's staff. Let's have a look.
Was that your membership card?
No, I've got a membership card. Me and my wife, we come the other day, we've got a membership card. Right, I'm not sure what's going to happen because he's gone to get his manager. They may let me look round. I'm hoping so. I'll be very disappointed. We came in the other day, like I say, we got a membership card, and we're amazed at the prices. I mean, the prices are amazing, and it's right next to Robinson's, guys, as well. So we'll see what's going to happen. I think the answer's going to be no, but we'll see. I'll be shocked if it's yes, because they don't, for some reason, they don't normally want free advertising. So there's the membership line. So anyway, guys, you can see how big this place is, and there's a lot of buy one take one. The prices are really good, as you'd imagine, but I guess you've got to justify your membership as well. I mean, if you're not coming on a regular basis and buying lots of stuff, a local sari store, I think this would be the place to come for further discount. Definitely, the place is massive. So while I remember, guys, I'm having a lot of problems with this camera. It's pretty much the same as before. I'll do a video and I'll get back and there's no audio on it. We've done 3 recent videos. On 2 we lost all the audio, on 3 we lost a little bit of the audio, but it was still enough to ruin the video basically. So we've lost 3 videos. I'm hoping I've sorted it. I've put a new mic on it. I'm hoping the audio situation's sorted. I don't think it's the camera. I think it was the mic. I'm hoping so, because there's no way I can replace this GoPro. No way. So fingers crossed, guys. We can have a look round. You can have a quick look, see what's going on. So it's a fail, guys. S&R does not want me vlogging. Now, it's a bit confusing for me because I've been in Robinson's, yeah, and there wasn't a problem. You know, if you're going in there buying stuff. Now, if I come back with my card and wasn't videoing, but then start to video once we're going round to buy things, that would be all right. Maybe not be all right, but that would be all right. So thanks to S&R management for your assistance. Come on, baby. Oi, you want to get run over? So I'm going to take the kids to the slide, which is the next video. We're going to do some bonding. What? Yeah, we're going now. Is that alright if we go to the slide now?
Yeah.
Come on then, faster to the car. Let's go. So they're not interested. So until the next video, guys, I've not been very well, so that's why you've not seen many videos. Again, like I tried to explain earlier as well, I've lost quite a few videos with no audio. So please hit the like button, please subscribe, please share our videos. Make sure the notification bell's not got a slash through it, but Screw Boob's trying to screw me every way it can, so that won't matter at the minute. So see you on the next one, guys. Bye.
Thanks to the following members and Patreons for their amazing support: Aaron, Robert Cole, Dr. Philippines, Slacker, Ninth House Aries, John Donachi, Zark Alfrey, Kingsley, Dazlox, Michael Hildebrand, Killer Grub with Mark Bagley, Romeo Roma Santa, Nathan Massengill, Emmanuel Sen Pascual, Arthur Gregory, M. Kitchen Baker, Steve Dornbos, Paulo Svensson, Jim Alvair, Scott Slavin, The Professor, Didas Jornales, Wade, Robert Bull, Anthony Neal, Michael McFarland, George Andrews, Mira D, Simon Kennedy, Kennedy Supergirls, Simply Monks, Rick's Destination Cebu, Brian Dawson, Albar Jitch, Stephen Baxter, Ed from Queens, A Brit's Philippines Destination. Big thanks to all of you.